Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get some patriotic nails for the 4th of July. Start off with a base coat. Apply white polish to your pinky, middle, and pointer fingers. Then apply blue polish to your ring, finger, and thumb. Next, grab a plastic lid or something to use as a nail polish palette and put a drop of red on that. Take a small brush and start creating horizontal stripes on top of the white nails using a red nail polish. Work slowly and keep both hands rested on the table to create the best lines. It's okay if they're not perfect because we can fix them up later. Next, I'm taking white polish and fixing up the stripes. For the stars, I am using white nail polish and a small brush. I start by creating an upside down V shape, then adding a line across that and connecting the lines. I am adding 3 stars down the middle and 2 to 3 on either side of that. Again, you can use the base color to clean up any mistakes. This case, we are using the blue. Once your design is dry, apply a top coat. You want to use a pretty good amount of top coat and lightly brush against the nails. And of course, when you're done with that, you can clean up around the nails using a small brush and nail polish remover. Anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more nail art designs and let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!